Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to write capital and small letter. Before writing, you should know these 8 lines: standing line, sleeping line, left slanting line, right slanting line, left curve line, right curve line, upward curve, downward curve. Let's start. Capital A, what we will do, left side slanting line, then right side slanting line, at last sleeping line from mid. Small a, right facing curve, standing line and a small curve. Capital B, standing line, left facing curve, one more left facing curve. Small b, standing line and a small curve from bottom. Capital C, a right facing curve, lowercase c, again a small right facing curve. Capital D, standing line and a left facing curve, small d, standing line and a small right facing curve. Capital E, standing line, top sleeping line, mid sleeping line, bottom sleeping line. Small e, small sleeping line with right facing curve. Capital F, standing line, top sleeping line and a mid sleeping line, small f, a small down facing curve line with a standing line. Capital G, right facing curve and a standing line, then a sleeping line. Practice it again. Right facing curve and a standing line, then a sleeping line. Small g, a right facing curve and a standing line with a small left side curve. Capital H, standing line, one more standing line, then sleeping line from mid. Small h, standing line and a down facing curve. Capital I, standing line, top sleeping line, bottom sleeping line, small I, small standing line, a dot on top. Capital J, standing line with a small left facing curve, then top sleeping line, small j, a standing line with small left facing curve, then a dot on top. Capital K, a standing line, then one upward slanting line from mid and one more downward slanting line from mid. Small k, a standing line with two cross line. Next is capital L, a standing line and a sleeping line toward right. Small l, standing line with a small curve line. Next is capital M, standing line and a right facing slanting line and left facing slanting line, again standing line. Small m, standing line and down facing curve, one more down facing curve. Capital N, a standing line, then right facing slanting line, again standing line. Small n, standing line and a down facing curve. Capital O is a big circle made up of two curve lines, left and right side curve lines. Small o is a small circle. Capital P, standing line and a left facing curve on top. Small p, standing line and a left facing curve line on top. Capital Q, a big circle, then right side slanting line from mid, small q, right curve line, then standing line with upside slanting line. Capital R, standing line, then left curve line on top and a slanting line. Small r, a standing line, and a slanting line from center with a small curve. Capital S. Capital S is like a snake. Right curve followed by left curve. Small s, right curve, then left curve. Capital T. Standing line and a sleeping line on top. Small t, standing line with a small curve line, then a small sleeping line from center. Capital U, a upward curve, very simple. Small u, upward curve, then a standing line. Capital V, right slanting line, then left slanting line. Small v, small right slanting line, then left slanting line. Capital W, a standing line, then a slanting line will go up and down, then standing line again. Small w, standing line, slanting line will go up and down, then again standing line. Capital X, right side slanting line, then left side slanting line. Small x, left facing curve, then right facing curve, and a small sleeping line. Capital Y, first type of Y, V, a small standing line from vertex. Second type of Y, left side slanting line and a small cross line. Small y, upward curve, then standing line with small curve. Capital Z, a sleeping line, then left slanting line, again sleeping line. Small z, sleeping, slanting, slipping. Thank you for watching.